Hello and welcome. I'm happy to show you another Excel template from Simply Digital. This one is called the Project Logbook, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to keep track of tasks and activities. You can use it to record work done on different projects and in different categories. It helps you log the time spent and cost for each activity. It can be used in many different ways. For example, as a machine maintenance tracker, where you record repairs and regular checkups. Or if you're a freelancer, you can track how much time you spend working for each client. There are many ways to use it. It's flexible, simple, and ready to help you stay organized. Let's start with the initial setup. The first thing to do is choose the currency you want to use. In our example, we'll switch the entire file to USD. It's very easy. Just pick your currency from the drop-down menu. If you need a different currency that's not listed, no problem. Just let me know, and I'll update the file for you in no time. Next, you'll create your project names. For each project, you can set an hourly rate or leave it empty if you don't want that project to count in your cost calculations. In the same way, you can also create categories to help organize your activities. Now let's move to the logbook sheet. This is where you record your activities. Click the New Record button to open a simple form. The date and time are filled in automatically, but you can change them if needed. From the drop-down menus, you can select your project and category. Then, just write a short description of the activity, and that's it. The last two fields are duration and cost. Duration is a required field. It shows how much time you spend on the activity. Cost is optional. If you know the cost, you can enter it. If you leave it empty, the cost will be calculated automatically using the project's hourly rate times duration. Once your activities are recorded, you can easily review them. They're organized in a simple table, sorted by date, either newest to oldest or the other way around. You can choose the sorting order in the settings sheet. At the top of the logbook, you'll see some quick stats, like the number of records, total time, and total costs. There's also a chart that shows cost for each month. You can use the built-in filters and menu options to adjust what data you want to see. On the next sheet, called Year Analyze, you'll find a yearly overview of your data. The two main charts show time spent and total cost for each month. If data from the previous year is available, you'll see a comparison line in gray, so you can easily track progress year over year. On the left, there's a table that lists all projects sorted by time and cost. This gives you a clear summary of how much was done and how much it cost for each project. As always, you can use filters to show only a specific project or a specific team member, whatever you need. The last feature is the archive function. If you have many projects and want to clean up the old ones, you can archive them. This will move all record from that project to a special sheet called Archive. Just go to the Settings sheet, select the projects you want to archive, and click the button. But be careful. Archive projects will no longer appear in any stats or charts. So only archive projects that are finished and no longer needed for reporting. And that's it, my friends. I hope you like the Project Logbook. If you're interested, you'll find a link to my Etsy store in the video description below. In any case, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.